Assalamualaikum and very good morning to our lecturer and fellow friend. My name is Siti Afika binti Darasa and my metric number is 2023-260284. So today, we will be presenting our group project of Intellectual Capital Management based on interview with a local company called Malaya. So what is intellectual capital? Intellectual capital refers to the non-physical asset that contribute to a company performance, such as knowledge and skill of employees, its internal system, and its relationship with customer and suppliers. The main objective of our study is to explore how Malaya manage its intellectual capital to improve performance and remain competitive. We focus on three key elements, which is the first one is human capital that refer to staff skill and experience. The second one is structural capital, include company system and processes, and the last one is relational capital, which is cover the company network and external partnership. By analyzing this area, we hope to understand how medium-sized company can grow by investing in its people, system, and business relationship. Now, to begin our presentation today, first let me introduce the background of the company first. Malaya was founded by Muhammad Shafi bin Mat Sayuti after he returned to Malaysia from his study in France. The business began operating shortly after the COVID-19, which is during PKP in 2019, and officially has opened his own shop in February 2022. The company headquarters is located at Maharaja 1, 34200 Paribunta, Perak, and it has since expanded to a total of 7 branches located at Paribunta, which is the HQ, Perda Bukit Mertajam, Taiping, Alor, Seri Iskandar, and Penang at Bayan Lepas. Malaya employs 35 staff, including sales assistant, technician, and mostly of their employer is come from Getmara and a qualified management team. The company also emphasizes staff development, offer both in-house and external training, and use digital system like Niagawan and Masyarakat for efficient operation. This effort clearly reflect how the company applies intellectual capital to drive performance and business growth. That's all from me. Then I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Siti Fasihah binti Muhammad and my student ID is 2023-837-494. So today, I'm going to explain about the organizational approach. So the company currently operates with 7 active branches and employs 35 staff members, including sales assistants, technicians, many of whom are skilled graduates from Getmara, and a management team with job-relevant academic qualifications. They focus strongly on employee welfare, consistent training, and the integration of digital systems to improve their effectiveness and efficiency of their daily operations. In terms of human resource management, their salary structure varies depending on job role and responsibility. They emphasize hiring the right people, focusing on quality over quantity to minimize inefficiencies. Every new employee undergoes in-house training for about 3 to 4 weeks, and those who show potential are sent for external training, half of which is subsidized by the company. While these programs are costly and require time, they see them as necessary investments for long-term employee development. So their business operations are supported by several systems. So one of them is Niagawan, Masyarakat, and Microsoft Excel. However, these systems are not fully integrated, which results in operational slowdowns, additional staff training, and increased cost per user. To maintain strong customer and supplier relationships, they collect customer feedback via Google reviews and maintain communication through direct message blast. Their supplier offer early credit terms based on trust and long-term partnerships. They also engage the local community through school sponsorship and sports team support to enhance brand visibility and goodwill. Internally, they place staff in roles that match their individual strengths and monitor performance through assigned sales accountants and daily task management. Their recruitment process includes a try and train approach, offering a 3-month probation to evaluate a new hire's potential and suitability. In summary, the organizational approach is built on the pillars of talent development, system improvement, and strong relationship management. all aimed at achieving long-term growth and sustainability. Now we move on to the next presenter.
On the effectiveness of intellectual capital. Based on our interview with a company that operates several branches and employs 35 staff, the company emphasizes employee development, smart system use, and strong customer suppliers relationship, which all contribute to their overall performance. Intellectual capital refers to the knowledge, skill, and system within an organization. In this company, it includes their trained technicians, performance, focus sales, and staff, and supportive management. They also rely on systems like Niagawan for accounting and Masyarikat for HR, and Excel for data tracking. Their strong ties with supplier and the local community also make up the relational capital. The company uses intellectual capital effectively by placing employees based on their actual strengths, like assigning technically skilled staff to repair tasks. Each team member also has a personal sales account to monitor performance, boosting accountability and motivation. This practice helps to reduce time and cost wastage while improving service delivery and customer satisfaction. They also invest in training. Staff receive in-house training, and capable employees are sent to external courses with 50% of the cost covered. This ensures continuous improvement and innovation within the team. However, they do face some challenges, such as high training costs, limited workspace, and managing multiply integrated system. Staff misplacement and lack of support in certain departments also affect to productivity. To address this, the company plans to restructure staff system by this September and add assistant roles and continue selective hire through a 3 months a try and train probation method.
Next, I'll be presenting about the company challenge. Company K challenge. And my name is Ainatira binti Zanat Kamal, and my metric number is 20234238856. So one of the main challenges faced by the company is the high cost of implementing and maintaining digital system, just as Niagawan, and account for accounting and Masyarikat for HR. With over 35 employees and the cost per head become expensive, especially for small business. In addition, the need to train every staff member to use this system requires time and reduce productivity during the training phase. The company also struggle with managing multiple systems at once, which can confuse staff and create inefficiency, especially when switching between platforms like Excel, government portals, and internet tools. So another major issue is high cost of external training, particularly for technical staff who may require special courses costing up to 400 ringgit. Due to the budget limit, not all staff can be trained at once. Internally, the company also faced the challenge of ensuring each employee is placed in the right position based on their skill. Wrong placement also can lead to the time loss and financial setback. Lastly, communication remains a challenge, especially in maintaining two-way communication between branches and departments, which sometimes slow down the coordination and problem solving. So that's all from me. I go pass it to next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nafazira binti Kamar Azmi. My matrix number is 2023 So I will continue with the recommendation for improvement. So the first is use affordable all-in-one system. So currently Trans Malaya use multiple separate system. So Niaw Gawan for accounting, Masyarakat for HR, and ESOL for the internet tracking. So this increases operational costs, especially because each system requires a separate license per user. So by switching to an all-in-one platform like Zoho One or Buku, the company can reduce licensing fees, simplify operation, and minimize training for each system. So the second one is create an internet digital training module. So right now, Trans Malaya trains a new employees manually for 3 to 4 weeks, then send them for the external training that costs up to 2,000 ringgit per staff. So this process is time consuming and costly. Instead, the company can prepare digital training modules, simple videos, checklists, and Google Docs to cover the basic procedures. Okay, so it saves time, keep the training consistent, and allows senior staff to focus on their main roles. And the third one is centralize the operational under the one ERP. So the company is currently overloaded with too many separate systems for LHDN, sales, accounting, HR, and more. So this causes confusion, delays, and make data harder to manage. So by integrating everything into the local ERP like AutoCount or SQL, they reduce the application, streamline data, and avoid system clashes. Number 4 is set up regular staff feedback. So at the moment, communication with the staff mostly happen on the WhatsApp, but not enough for owners to feedback. So to improve communication, Trans Malaya can use a monthly feedback forms or they assign a team leader to get the staff input weekly. So this help management understand staff challenges early to make the changes before the problem escalates. So this improves the relational capital by strengthening the internal relationship between the employer and employees. So the lastly, use a pre-hiring skill personality test. So Trans Malaya currently use train and try models. So they hire, train, and only keep staff after a few months of testing. So this can lead a high retraining cost and misplaced staff. So to avoid this, they can use a basic personality and aptitude. So assessment before the hiring. So they have match candidates with roles they are naturally good at. For example, someone with strong communication might be better suited for sales than technical works.
Company is practice in training and developing in staff through structured program. Use of a digital system source initiative through further integrations is needed. The staff placement is truthfully done to optimize intellectual capital. Strong community presence via brandings, partnerships, and builds trust and loyalty, which improves system integration, enhance communication, and strong welfare practice. The community is poised for sustainable growth and operational excellence. Okay, that's it for the all presentations, and thank you for all to hearing the presentation, and see you and in the next presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.